Let's remake A Concert 6 Months From Now by Finneas in 1 hour. I'll show you how to create Finneas' unique guitar tone, how to get a huge second verse sound, and how to record those beautiful harmonies. And if that wasn't enough, let's try singing the lead vocals live. So let's see how that goes. I'm really looking forward to remaking more tracks in Finneas' new album, so subscribe and hit the bell to see those as well. And you can download this free project down below. Stopwatch, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's find the chords and the BPM. Chords. When Harry met E minor, you fell a G. I closed your a C and stole the D. BPM. Let's click along to the track. Falling in and out of love and falling in again. BPM 140, but the time signature is 3/4. Key, G major, Roman numerals 6, 1, 4, 5. Uppercase major, lowercase minor. 4 minutes, 17 seconds. Not too bad. Flew through that one. Let's keep going. Click this button here. Click on our signature. 3, 4. 3 crotchet beats in every bar. And we can drag up the BPM to 140. And we're ready to go. Create track, audio. I've got my AKG 414 coming in input 2. Okay, not bad. Get rid of some low-end boominess and add in fab filters, multiband compression, rhythm guitar clarity. My favorite thing. Less boominess, more percussiveness. Command D and record our second guitar. One out left and one out right. Hopefully that'll do the trick. Tidy up the start and the end. Grab both and put some short and long reverb on. 1, 2. Yeah, I'm liking how that sounds. Thick guitar. Acoustic guitars after 16 minutes, 55 seconds. Took a little bit too long. Feels like I say that every week. Let's keep going. Create a drummer track, and in the big section, kicks and snares hitting on the 1 of every bar. I'm gonna loop that. Cue quantize, fixed velocity, select and operate. Super. Turn down that sausage fattener that was on the track originally. Lovely. Double that up with some snares. Velocity down a bit for those. And a little bit of a snare as well. Nice. We've a kick on all 3 beats here. Very good. And we'll duplicate across, and then the second time, those 2 extra beats on the 4th bar. The foundation of the kick and snare after 20 minutes, 18 seconds. Flying. That felt good. On to our next thing. Create new track. Drummer. Only the crash cymbals. Get rid of everything else. Oh, and we must shorten this section here. We have a downbeat, and then for the next 4 bars, it starts bringing down the vibe until the next chorus. Now we have an extra hit here. More crashes. Ooh, crash right. Pencil tool selected here. So anytime I command and click, we draw in a note. Might have to edit these velocities a little bit so they don't sound too boring. Too much and it's ruined my nights. Nice. I love that. That's so cool. Crashes after 24 minutes, 38 seconds. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. I think we're going to need something a little bit heavier. Great. Guitar. We had some lovely sounds the last day. Big distorted American metal. See how it goes. And so it strums anytime the kick hits. Yes. Ooh. I think a bit too much. Gave me such a shock. Amp switcher. Might give it a tiny bit more distortion. Sound toys, captator. Punish and then mix button to tidy it up. Let's try recording it in with bar chords. Ooh, I think I got it that time. Oh, that sounds so good. I feel like it could be thicker, so let's double this guitar recording. Right click, stereo pan, and then we can drag it over to the left. That sounds great. I love it. Shift Command G. And we'll make that a group. Elect guitar. 1 pan left, 1 pan right. And then you have the acoustic guitars narrower. It's becoming a wall of sound. 32 minutes, 10 seconds. Halfway through. Starting to feel the pressure. Let's keep going. Well done, guitar. Served its purpose once more. Can't beat a couple of guitars. Modo Bass. Let's go with Thunderbird. He's my favorite. Fairly muted. And let's follow the root notes. Nice. Quantize those, and I think I missed 1 note here. Shift /, continue those notes all the way to the next note, so we have no silences. Functions, MIDI transform, fix the velocity, so our low frequencies stay steady. Let's try our bassman 5. That OTT is adding a lot. So is the sausage fattener. Bring down that acoustic guitar when every other guitar is playing, and then we'll bring it back up then when those drop out. This song is so beautiful. Oh, Finneas, back at it again. 36 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay, what's next? Create instrument, software instruments, ES1, mono, synth bass, sub bass. In the chorus, this sub bass comes in and is holding lovely, warm, low chords. Take out lots of highs. E, D, C, B, A. Nice. Nailed it. First time. One take wonder. Quantize, shift / to bring the notes forward to the next note. To keep it legato. Fix velocity, select and operate. Control low mids and lows. Give our bass some color. Acoustic orange, electric yellow. Bass after 40 minutes, 15 seconds. I'm happy because it sounds good, but I'm sad because we don't have a lot of time. I wish I had more coffee. Create, software instrument, native instruments, contact, stereo. It's been a while since we used it, but one of my favorite texture making things, exhale from output. It's just a vocal simulator, so you could sing it in yourself if you wanted to. Number 7, Merfolk. Comes in here in the second half. CD. Filter, we need to take out some of the highs. Long reverb, short reverb. And then I just want this volume to drop real quick here. That's pretty much it. Nice. That pitch bend with the exhale, love it. Exhale after 44 minutes, 32 seconds. Flying. Still a few more things to do though. I can hear a piano on the chorus following the chords. E, D major, C. Turn down that reverb. Those little leading notes are so important. Bum bum. Lovely, and we'll fade that guy to the end as well, just like the other fellas. Got a bit of color. 49 minutes, 46 seconds. Right. There's so many cool vocals in this. Each section kind of changes a little bit. We've got doubles down the octave and doubles up the octave. We've got harmonies fourths below and fifths above. But the harmony lines are at such a low volume you can barely hear them. It's so cool. Adds a bit of depth without making it too cheesy. So let's start with the doubles. Left and then right. I've been thinking too much and it's ruined my nights. Woo! Just about. The rhythm's tricky. Lots of syncopated stuff, but heavy on a lot of the downbeats. Gives it that oomph. Flex pitch. Command A, select them all. Pitch correct. I'm going to tune these backing vocals a good amount, so if I brought it down a bit. 52 minutes, 28 seconds. I'm starting to have hope here. If we can sing this correctly. Another vocal out the right. Hard when it isn't to let yourself slide. Yes, nailed it that time. So we get tune, flex pitch, on. Command A, select them all. Pitch correct. If I brought it down a bit. You need the water for the drinking. Or the singing. 56 minutes, 7 seconds. Ooh, the nerves are real. Harmonies. Pan them right and left as well, but in between the doubles. Here we go. I've been thinking too much and it's ruined my nights, but it's... Ooh, it's high, but just within the range. Oh, some of that sounds nice. Keep the volume way down. 57 minutes, 40 seconds. Ooh, running it close. Same thing at the left. Here we go. I never would believe her. Oh, so nice. A little bit tricky in parts, but I think we're getting it. Quick tune on that. I know I missed 1 or 2 notes. We were never any good at being friends. Add long reverb, short reverb, and for the high vocals, because we do have harmonies down the octave, singing similar notes, I'm going to have a pitch shifter singing the same thing down an octave, and it saves some singing time. Hopefully it sounds as nice. And that's time. Oh. This track is so good. I love it so much. The lyrics are genius, the writing's genius, and the production is genius. It's just so good. Hopefully we didn't destroy the song. All right, let's sing it live. Hard to be rude not to. Here we go. I've been thinking too much and it's ruined my nights, but it's hard when it isn't to let yourself slide, and my heart doesn't slow down when you kill the lights. I never learned to call it quits. If I could see the future, I never would believe her. Falling in and out of love and falling in again. We were never any good at being friends. That song is so good. I love it. He's done it again. That was fun. And you can watch way more Finneas productions right there. Why not? Alright, go on. Go on, click it. Be rude not to.